Hi, my name is Amy Tarkington. I'm the Equipment Product Marketer at HCSS. I'm going to talk to you guys about how to use HCSS Telematics to be aware of unusual activities to reduce your field theft. Kind of a funny story on a company using HCSS Telematics to recover theft is from Carolina Bridge. They actually used HCSS Telematics software and HCSS GPS hardware to recover a truck that had been stolen from them. Now, this truck had a 250-gallon drum carrying diesel fuel, and they recovered this truck to discover that the thieves who had taken it were also hoarding tons of moonshine in the same location. So even better yet, after they recovered this truck, they used HCSS Telematics to recover yet another truck that had been stolen. So let's take a quick walkthrough on how you can use the alerts inside of HCSS Telematics to be aware of unusual activities so you can avoid these types of situations. To set up who receives what types of alerts, go to Setup on the left, click on Alert Contacts, and this shows you the list of people who you want to receive different types of alerts. Let's look at Adams on the first one. And we'll click on Details on the right. And here you can see Adam's contact information, and you can also select which types of alerts you want Adam to receive. So right now he's going to receive location alerts, theft alerts, and let's also send him event alerts. You can also choose to give Adam hardware device alerts, and let's do that. Click Save and we're done. To customize the types of alerts you will receive, go under Setup again on the left. This time click on Alerts, and you can set your alerts based on theft, which is based on normal working hours, location based on entering or exiting the locations, speed or really overspeeding the limit, or event. So let's go ahead, click out of Setup and click on Alerts on the left. And here you can see you have a total of 26 alerts. 3 of them are theft and 23 of them are speed alerts. And let's say I want to see what the 3 theft alerts are, so I'll click on Run Report here. And this gives you a list of all of those alerts, and we can sort them with the time it occurred, the type of alerts, and right now you can easily see the 3 theft alerts are here. So let's click on the detail of the theft alert that happened to the Caterpillar here. So we see that the Caterpillar was stolen at 5:55 a.m. And I'm guessing that this was reported because you set your normal working hour to start at 6 a.m. But it's still a good idea at this point to contact the operator for the Caterpillar to make sure that nothing happened.